Warranty expires. Emily's air fryer is broken. She took it to the store she bought it to have it fixed, but the warranty expired. Watch the video to see what Emily did after that. Hi, I need your assistance, please. Hello, how may I help you? My Philips air fryer is broken. I need to have it fixed. I guess I'll have to use the warranty. Okay, did you buy the air fryer from our store? Yes, I bought it here long ago. Did you bring your warranty card or purchase receipt? Yes, here is my warranty card. Thank you. Let me check the information for you. I've checked. I'm very sorry. Unfortunately, your air fryer warranty just expired half a month ago. I'm afraid if you want to fix it, you will have to pay a fee. Oh, really? I didn't expect that. How much will it cost? It depends on what's wrong with your air fryer. Can you tell me its condition? Yes, I set the temperature, but it didn't heat up, even after a long time. Thank you for that information. Please wait while our staff check the air fryer for you. Okay. Thanks for your patience. Our staff says your machine has broken heater elements. How much does it cost to repair it? The repair cost is quite high, around $250, possibly even higher than a new air fryer. So we recommend you buy a new air fryer. What do you think? We now have a new product model with more advanced features than your old one. Do you want to learn more about it? Well then, I may buy a new one, so please give me information about the new model. Yes, my colleague Jessica will advise you. Sure. Jessica, can you introduce her to the new Philips air fryer? Okay, hi. Please follow me to go over there and see the air fryer. First of all, could you tell me how many people you want to serve with the fryer? There are 5 people in my family. My old fryer is a bit small. Is the new one bigger? Yes, Philips' new fryer HD 9650 XXL has the largest size recently, so it will be perfect for your whole family. You can cook family-sized meals such as a whole chicken or even up to 1.4 kilograms of chips. It can serve up to 6 portions. That's nice, but is there any other more advanced feature apart from the size? It has new technology that helps reduce the fat amounts in food. It can reduce up to 90% of fat and cook 1.5 times faster compared to cooking in a normal oven. Also, with this model, you don't even need to turn the food around while cooking. Therefore, it is not only better for your health, but also saves you a lot of time. Sounds good. I really like Philips air fryers because it's perfect quality and the ability to cook delicious food. But I don't know if this new model is easy to clean. It seems a bit hard to wash that net. Don't worry. Cleanup will be fast and easy thanks to the new Quick Clean basket with a removable non-stick mesh insert. It is also safe to use in the dishwasher. Really? That sounds great. Yes, Philips also supports a wide variety of food recipes for this model on the app Nutri. Great, that's so convenient. I will save a lot of time looking for food recipes. Yes, currently our store is also having a promotion for Philips. You will get a gift of Philips air fryer grill accessories. What is the price of this air fryer now? This product is currently priced at $324 and also covered by a 2-year worldwide warranty. My old air fryer is no more than 2 years old, and the heater elements have broken. I don't know if this type is more durable. May I ask if you regularly clean the inside of the old air fryer? Only sometimes, maybe once every 2 or 3 months, because it's quite complicated to clean that part. Yes, maybe that's why it's broken. You should clean the inside at least once a month to prolong the life of your air fryer. Okay, I got it now. So I'll take this one. Which model is it again? It's a Philips HD 9650 XXL air fryer. What is the next step? Please, fill in some information on this form. I'm done. Here you are. Thank you. Please, let me confirm your order again. Your order includes an HD 9650/96 air fryer, priced at $324. You will receive a gift of Philips Grill Master Kit that fits the fryer. It includes a grill bottom, 6 skewers, and a recipe booklet. Are you okay with that? Okay. So, please sign here and bring the information to the payment counter. Okay, thanks. I'll go and pay. I hope you'll have a great time cooking with the new air fryer. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. You too. Goodbye. Hi, I've decided to buy a Philips air fryer. May I have the information form of your product? Here you are. Thanks. Please make a payment for it. How do you want to pay? I will pay by card. Your payment is successful. Please wait a bit for our staff to bring along a new air fryer, and I will give you further instruction on the warranty for your product. Okay, no problem. This is your air fryer and the gift. Here is your invoice. You can find the warranty card and guidebook inside the box. Please follow the instruction on it to register for a warranty. You'll have 7 days to exchange a new one if there are any issues, but for now, please check if everything is fine. Okay, let me check. No problem. Everything is good, thank you. Thanks for shopping with us today. By the way, do you want to take back your old air fryer? No, can I leave it here? Yes, you can. Thanks. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. You have a nice day too. Goodbye.